Hello friends, I am Samir and you are watching my channel Samir's Class. Today I will discuss data format as table and cell style. When we enter information into the Excel worksheet, we want to format our data as a table. Table can improve the look, style of our worksheet, and it will also help to organize our content and make our data easier to use. Excel includes several tools and predefined styles, allowing us to create the tables quickly and easily. First option, press Control and T and select the data range, and click OK, the table will appear. Second option is, first select the cells that we want to format the table. I have a data, I will select the entire data range which I want to format as table. Then I have to go to the Home tab, select Format as a table command in the Style group, and select the table style. Select the table styles from the drop down menu as I like the style. Say I like this one. A dialog box appears where it is asking where is the data for your table. Our ranges has been selected. I want this range to format as a table. Now the second option is, if my table has the header, check the checkbox next to my table. I have a header, say item type, unit, quantity, rate, amount, etc. Hence I will click on that checkbox and click OK. Your table has been appeared. If my table has header, then the checkbox next to my table has header, then click OK, it will formatted in the selected table style. Now you can see the drop down menus appears in my header. To remove this filter, this is filter. To remove this filter, first select this header and go to the data tab and click on the filter button. The drop down menu disappear. Again click on this icon, drop down menus appears. If I want the drop down menus, then again click on this icon, drop down menu will disappear and it will again appear. From this drop down menu, I can filter the data as per the requirement. Say in this time I want only fruit. In this way the filter is working. Similarly, I want only vegetable, then only vegetable data will appear. In this way filter can work. Now if I will select total, all select all. Now if I click inside the table, suppose I click here, a design tab appears. If I click outside the table, the design tab disappear. Again I will click inside the table and design tab will appear. From this design tab, I can select the table style from the drop down list. Here design tab, I will go in the design tab, and from here I can select the styles. A lot of predefined styles is available here. You see the lot of predefined styles is available is here. I will remove the cursor. You see how the table styles changes. In this way table styles changes. Now I suppose click here, I select this one. From here, first of all I will select the header portion, then I will go to the data tab and click on the filter button. The drop down menu will disappear. Again on home tab, click on here, in the design tab I want that total row. So total is appear here. Similarly banded row, in this way it changes. You see, if I click on the checkbox, the style is changes. Banded column, last column, first column, etc. Similarly no header, again header. In this way it works. If I change this one, you see the color changes. In this way it works. Now for the cell style, again I have to go to the home tab. Here home tab, and I will go to the home tab, then cells style. Here I can change the style of the cells or customize my table as per the requirement, style, color, heading, etc. Suppose select this one and go to the cell style and select the heading style. Again you change the color from here, it also changes. Similarly for color you can change this one. In this way you can customize the table options. In this way it works. Say number changes. Now if I calculation this one in this way, suppose I want the currency. You see currency currency style is appear. Similarly I want currency here. You see currency portion is available here. If I change the number in the comma style, suppose I remove currency style and comma style will appear here. In this way I can change comma 0, number formatting you change here. Similarly in this way, if I want percentage, it will change the percentage style. Similarly currency, it is currency style. That's all about the Excel table formatting and cell editing. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.